Good afternoon, good afternoon. Please be seated. Thank you, nurse. Well, my name is 𝙁𝙧𝙚𝙤𝙧, and I am one of the registered nurses working in this private clinic. Okay, nurse. All right. Could you tell me in your own words what brings you here today? Well, nurse, actually, I have been working in customer service for long hours, and I'm really tired and experiencing aching feet as well. I am so sorry to hear that. I can sense that you are going through a tough situation. But first of all, I assure you that you are in the right place and in safe hands. We are all here to provide tender, loving care for you. Please relax and make yourself comfortable. Are you following my points? Yes, nurse. But I forgot to tell you one thing, that I have numbness and tingling sensations that are worse at night. Okay. I acknowledge your complaints. However, as I mentioned earlier, there is nothing to be overly concerned about regarding your problem, as we will help you sort out your condition. Am I clear to you? Yes, nurse. Thank you. Well, before moving further, could you tell me your name for the documentation? Yes, nurse. My name is Rose. Okay, Rose. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. Before proceeding further, I would like to explain to you about your condition, treatment, and its recovery. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can ask me directly. I will definitely clear them for you. Yes, nurse. Thank you. Moreover, I have become really sick due to these symptoms, and my memory is not too good, and sometimes my hand will shake nowadays. All right, Rose, I know that it must be overwhelming for you. However, you are not alone. We will provide accurate management for you. Am I clear myself, Rose? Yes, nurse. All right, Rose, there are resources of management available for you. The initial steps to improve your leg issues include using compression stockings, comfortable shoes, and orthopedic shoes. How does this sound, Rose? That sounds good, but still I am tired. Yes, Rose, thank you so much for ventilating your concerns. If I were you, I would have felt the same. From your words, I understood that your long working hours are putting too much pressure on you. That is the main reason you are suffering in this situation. Am I right, Rose? Yes, nurse. I can understand now my job and frantic pace are contributing factors to my current situation. I have dozens of things to remember, but I don't write them down. What can be done? Rose, it's a valuable question from your side. Being a worrying person is a frustrating factor for you. But Rose, please try to understand my words. We can manage your condition because your well-being is my utmost priority. We will do the needful. Are you getting my point, Rose? Yes, nurse. Your words are consoling me. Rose, if you are willing, I will check your foot once, and right away I will book an appointment with a podiatrist who is the authorized doctor to rectify your feet ache. Is that okay for you? Okay, nurse, I agree. But I hope that you can understand me well, because the real worry is why I am here. I am extremely paranoid about the chance that I have neurological diseases like Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis, because my uncle and aunt have these serious illnesses. Rose, I can appreciate that it is not easy to talk about this, but Rose, I would like you to remember one thing. Self-diagnosing and negative thinking make things worse. Please be optimistic. Based on the doctor's examination, he will find the exact management to navigate your problems and confirm the diagnosis. Every problem has a solution. Please relax, Rose. Do you have any more queries? Nurse, thank you so much for your valuable information. Well, Rose, thank you so much for listening to my words very patiently. Once again, I assure you that if you adhere to these instructions, you will recuperate soon. I wish you a speedy recovery. Okay, nurse. Okay, Rose, if you have further queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are always happy to help you. Thank you for visiting us, and stay healthy.